it's just kind of trash out here right now. It's a culture of just, people just wanting to validate their own existence because they didn't get enough attention from, mommy and daddy. All right. So, this is a kind of a weekday rant. Yeah. So, this is going to be a little interesting. A lot of people probably don't want to talk about this subject, or they may think I'm coming off as being a crybaby or old man or whatever. Don't care. I just wanted to get it off my chest. But 2024, state of the car community. It sucks, in my opinion, and this is my opinion only. Some may agree, some may disagree. So, a little bit of background. So my automotive journey started as a little kid. So my dad was a all-around car guy, biker. So I grew up with wrenches in my hand and everything since I was a young kid. I truly enjoy the automotive hobby, and really did enjoy, the car community for a long time. Obviously, things have changed. The state of car culture in 2024. And you might be able to hear some background noise there, but I kid you not. Just the level of and the amount of straight piped nonsense that's out on the road is crazy, because it just feels like people are doing things just to get noticed, not really doing it for the passion of or the excitement around building something or being in the community. We see it from these takeovers and these events where people just come and bring their straight piped shit box and they just rev it to the moon as if people actually care. They don't. They most car guys will look at that in disgust. For the most part, the car community is still really good, but it only takes a few to ruin it for everyone. And that's kind of where we're at right now. So we can't do meetups anymore because you get the few idiots that come and just kill the entire vibe. They cause too much attention, and nobody wants that. It brings too much attention to the group, and anytime you want to say anything, they want to cause trouble, and then that's how fights and stuff break out, or somebody pulls out a weapon and they think they're big and bad. Some days, or most days, I don't even want to go outside and interact with anyone. As you see, my car behind me has been sitting in this state for a while, mostly because I just haven't been eager to put it back together. And when I do, I'm probably going to go out solo and enjoy it, or connect with a small group of friends that have a very similar mindset. So that's really what car culture is right now, is connecting with people that have a very similar mindset. Typically, these are older people or even younger people that have the mindset of they just really want to enjoy their cars and commune with the car community. And they're not about just showing off and bringing all the attention to themselves. They're not attention seekers. It just seems like the car culture now is full of kids that didn't get validation from their parents, so they are seeking the attention out on the streets with vehicles, and it's dangerous. They're out here driving just ridiculous on the roads, revving their engines and flying up and down neighborhood streets all hours of the day and night, and it's just it's very annoying. So I know this is going to come off as something that is seen as, oh, you're just an old head in the community or whatever. I mean, I'm 38 now. I guess I'm old by some people's standards, but there's plenty of us out there that just really enjoy our cars. This part of some of the reason I stopped going to Caffeine and Octane, to be honest. It just feels like it got too commercialized. People are just going there just for the attention, not really for the love of the community. So I tend to gravitate towards smaller meetups. Here in the Atlanta area, there's another meetup that goes on at the same time as Caffeine and Octane, which is worship. over off of Woodstock Road. Tend to gravitate towards that one. Not to say that I don't go to Caffeine and Octane. Every now and then I'll go just to see if there's something cool that I like there, but people just show up just to get their validation from the crap that they do. The whole idea of respect all builds is kind of BS, because a lot of people, they just don't take the time to research and do their homework on what they want. You get a trash result at the end of it. So that's kind of where we stand right now in 2024. So look, don't get me wrong. I'm not bashing anybody's, preference for their vehicles. There's a lot of vehicles out there that I love. Like I said, I grew up in the automotive hobby, building muscle cars and hot rods and stuff with my dad. So this isn't something that, I have just a preference for X. I have a Japanese sports car here that I'm working on. So, but I can appreciate any vehicle from any era, any brand, make, model, that's done right. And people always get, well, what's your idea of done right? Well, somebody that took the time to research what they wanted to do with the vehicle, the fit and finishes is there. You can see there was time and attention put into it. Things weren't just thrown on. You just didn't go to, AutoZone and find some stickers to put on. You didn't cut a hole in your exhaust just because you wanted it to sound loud. You done things, everything had a purpose, so those are the type of builds that I think are done correctly, are done right. But every now and then, I live close to Barrett Parkway, and all you hear all night long is, Chargers and Challengers and Hondas and just regular sedans that people just cut the holes or cut off the mufflers just so they could sound loud going up and down the street. That's just kind of ridiculous. So yeah, it's 2024. I think we should bring back the idea of people just having a good time. Stop clout chasing online or posting stupid videos, these idiotic takeovers, these just idiotic displays of attention seeking. We got to stop it. It's just kind of trash out here right now. It's a culture of just, people just wanting to validate their own existence because they didn't get enough attention from, mommy and daddy. So they seek it out here on the streets. But like I said, this isn't to bash anybody specifically or anything. It's just the culture in general. We got to do better. Just make it better for everyone. And I get it. Some things can be toxic. We shouldn't shame people for what they like. But at the same time, we should be helping people to understand what it means to build something or have that passion for something and go about it the right way. So there's a lot of different types of car guys and gals and different types of vehicles out there that everyone could appreciate. From, Japanese sports cars to American muscle to overland vehicles and lifted trucks and motorcycles and everything in between. So there's a lot of stuff out there that you could appreciate, and that is built to a standard that kind of fits everybody at different levels. So I'm not saying that you have to go out there and spend tens of thousands of dollars building your car, but you could spend way less than that and get quality parts and products and build it in a way that it actually shows that you care about the vehicle and you're not just doing it for the attention. So if you all have any comments about the current state of the car community in 2024, let me know your thoughts. Let's discuss it in the comments. I'm curious to hear what you all think. These are just my opinions only. Like I say, some people may share my opinions, some people may not, but I would love to hear from you all, because just the current state right now, it doesn't give me the enthusiasm to really get back out there and explore and make some new car friends and stuff. Right now I just stick to my group of friends that I have because we have similar interests of, just really enjoying our vehicles for what they are and and not trying to go out there to showboat and show out. So thanks for watching. I know this was a little bit of a rant, but like I say, if you have any comments, please like and subscribe to the video and comment below. Let's start a discussion. So yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Not every video is going to be like this. There's going to be more automotive content coming from me, so you'll see that on the channel. But thanks for watching.